Think you need hundreds of dollars to get an amazing drone? Think again. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones under $100 that pack premium features without the premium price tag. Let's get flying. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you love budget-friendly tech that delivers real performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our next top gadget review. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. TD31 LCD Drone. The TD31 LCD comes with an LCD screen right on the remote, giving you real-time transmission without needing your phone. It's equipped with a brushless motor for smooth flight, headless mode for easy navigation, and a foldable design for portability. Perfect for beginners who still want pro-level control. Customer reviews. Buyers love the instant video feedback from the LCD display and the stable hovering, even in mild wind. Many note how surprisingly durable it feels for the price. Pros: LCD screen built into controller. Brushless motor for smooth performance. Compact and foldable design. Stable hover and easy controls. Number 2. 4K brushless motor drone. This foldable quadcopter features a 4K camera with a 130 degrees wide lens, voice control, gesture photography, and comes with 2 batteries for longer flights. The brushless motor ensures quieter operation and better flight stability. Customer reviews. Reviewers praise its high-quality photo and video capture for the price. Kids and beginners especially enjoy the voice control feature for hands-free commands. Pros: 4K camera with wide-angle lens, 2 batteries for extended playtime, voice and gesture controls, sturdy foldable frame. Number 3. 1080p drone with SD card. This drone delivers 1080p HD video and comes with an LCD screen controller plus an 8GB SD card. It offers waypoint flying, one-key takeoff/landing, and a compact, foldable design. Great for travel or quick outdoor shoots. Customer reviews. Many buyers appreciate the included SD card for direct recording without Wi-Fi lag. The waypoint flying is also a favorite for planned, cinematic shots. Pros: LCD controller with 8GB SD card. Stable waypoint flight mode. Beginner-friendly controls. Portable foldable design. Number 4. RC drone with dual cameras. This model has dual 1080p cameras, optical flow hover, LED lighting, and an impact-resistant ABS shell for added durability. It includes speed adjustment, gravity sensor, trajectory flight, and a built-in obstacle avoidance system, making it perfect for beginners who want extra safety. Customer reviews. Parents love this drone for kids because the obstacle avoidance reduces crash risks. Many also mention how much fun the LED lighting adds during night flying. Pros: dual cameras for multiple perspectives, obstacle avoidance for safer flying, impact-resistant build, LED lights for night flights. Number 5. 2K HD FPV Foldable Drone. With 2K HD video, altitude hold, gesture selfies, waypoint fly, and 3D flips, this drone offers fun tricks alongside great image capture. Comes with 2 batteries and a foldable design for easy storage. Customer reviews. Users highlight how responsive the controls are and how steady it hovers for crisp photos. The 3D flips are a huge hit with kids and hobbyists. Pros: 2K HD camera, fun 3D flip function, 2 batteries included, foldable and portable. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So, there you have it, the top 5 best drones under $100 that give you premium features without the premium cost. Whether you're into photography, racing, or just having fun, these drones prove you don't need to break the bank to get airborne. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which drone you'd pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.